Hello people, I'm Kinyonga. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much to those who have been watching my videos, to those who have been sharing my videos, and to those who have already turned on notification bell so that every time I have a new video, they will be notified. And I just want to tell you that if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel so that you can give me motivation to do more videos. In today's video, we are doing matokes and we have our ingredients. We have our beef. Here are our 3 onions. We have our tomatoes. We have bananas, green bananas or the matoke, and here we have our potatoes. So let's get into the kitchen and start cooking. And also we have other things like salt, cooking oil, and Rico cubes. Those are only things that I'm going to use for today's meal. Let's get into the kitchen and start preparing our food.
Every night are we paradise seems so far away. Still I try to buy myself some time to get me to that place. All I want is you. Staying up till we want to. Tell you what I bet that we could see it new. I wanna let you, nothing to do. Let's throw all our worries away. I know that it takes two. Tell me, baby, what do you say? 'Cause we were just friends, and now it's something far over. And I bet that we could find a way closer. Never wanted to put all of this in your head, but I can't say that we're only friends. But I can't say that we're only friends. I just want you under the lights. I just want you when it's my time. I just want you breaking my stride. I just want you. I wanna let you, nothing to do. Let's throw all our worries away. I know that it takes two. Tell me, baby, what do you say? 'Cause we were just friends, and now it's something far over. And I bet that we could find a way closer. Never wanted to put all of this in your head, but I can't say that we're only friends. But I can't say that we're only friends. Never wanted to put all of this in your head, but I can't say that we're only friends.
I start by preparing our tomatoes and onions. Yeah. I have just added onion and cooking oil, and they are cooking. We are going to give them for only 2 minutes. After they are done, I'm going to add in my tomatoes and our meat. Here are our bananas. They are halfway cooked. At this point, our onion is okay. I will just add in our meat. There it is. Then I will add tomatoes. I have added salt. Then I will add 2 Royco cubes and 1 Knorr cube. And then I will cover them to cook. I will then add in my potatoes. Here they are. And then I will cover them again. this point, I'm going to add in my bananas. I will give them 5 minutes to cook, then I will add in water. Wow. Our food is ready. We are going to serve our food. So guys, this is how our matoke has turned out. I think it's very yummy, as I can see them. So bye bye. Don't forget to share, comment, and also turn on notification bell to get notified once we have a new video. Bye bye.